Hello kids, welcome to Kids channel Maths class. Today we are going to count numbers from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's get started. This is 1. O-N-E 1. Kids, repeat with me. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. TWO2. This is number 3. THREE 3. THREE 3. This is number 4. FOUR 4. FOUR 4. 5 number. FIVE 5. FIVE 5. This is number 6. SIX 6. SIX 6. This is number 7. SEVEN 7. SEVEN 7. This is number 8. EIGHT 8. EIGHT 8. This is number 9. NINE 9. NINE 9. And this is number 10. TEN 10. TEN 10. Thanks for watching kids. If you like the video, make sure to press the thumb button. Thank you once again.